Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura and this is You Wish I Would. I just wanted to show you guys a collapsible champagne wall that I made. I actually made two. This version does not have the cutouts in it. The customer requested that, so this could be used as a champagne wall or a treat wall. This one does have the notches cut out. The collapsible champagne wall, I do sell full tutorials. It is $40. If you'd like the full tutorial, just reach out to me on Facebook, You Wish I Would, or through my email. The links will be in the description. If you want the full tutorial on how to build these yourself, and I'm going to show you how they work. Super simple, super easy, easy for transport. This will fit in your car if you don't have a truck. You're just starting your event business and you don't have a truck. This works. I do recommend a bungee cord around it so that it doesn't bounce around. It keeps it secure and easier to transport. But it's super easy to collapse and set back up. So there you have it. That's the collapsible champagne wall. Again, I do sell the tutorials individually. Eventually, I would like to offer them on YouTube for free, but I am not monetized. And it does take a lot of time to record a tutorial versus just making the item to sell. So that is why I sell the tutorials. But if you guys are interested, just reach out. And thank you guys. Have a great day.